Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the photo resolution on this device. For this, go to the camera. At the bottom right side, you can see the option for dots. Tap on this one. Here you can see the full. So this is the full screen resolution. And if you tap on this one, you can see 3:4, 9:16, 1:1, and last for one full screen resolution. If you tap on 3:4, this is for the high quality images. And the next one is 9:16. This is for the full screen. And if you tap on the option 1:1, this is like an Instagram style. So we will get a 4 type of aspect ratios: 3:4, 9:16, 1:1 full. Actually, this device controls the photo resolutions mainly through the aspect ratio. Okay, if you choose the 3:4, usually gives the highest resolution and the best image quality. You need to select 3:4 aspect ratio. So simply in this way, we can change the photo resolution on this device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.